Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Green Pond Health Center. Now this health center was reopened recently after a $30 million upgrade, and Green Pond is in St. James. Now the government has a program called Operation Refresh, and it is under this initiative that the Green Pond Health Center was upgraded. So we're going to give you some more information on Operation Refresh. Operation Refresh is a comprehensive initiative launched by Jamaica's Ministry of Health and Wellness in May 2024, aiming to revitalize primary health care facilities across the nation. With an allocated budget of $1 billion over 18 months, the program focuses on enhancing the aesthetics, functionality, and overall utility of selected health centers. Now, the key components of Operation Refresh: facility upgrades. The initiative seeks to standardize the appearance of health centers through consistent signage and color schemes. Improvements include renovating waiting areas, staff quarters, and where necessary, incorporating sustainable features like solar panels for energy efficiency, air conditioning, and upgraded sanitary facilities to ensure a more comfortable experience for patients and staff. Another component: community health aid engagement. Operation Refresh emphasizes the pivotal role of approximately 2,200 CHAs who serve as the first point of contact in communities. The program supports increased community activities such as home visits to assist senior citizens and expectant mothers, conduct health screenings, and provide basic psychological support, all under the supervision of public health nurses. Now, the notable achievements under this program so far are: 1. Malvern Health Center, 2. Portmorant Health Centers, Portmorant and Arcadia Health Centers in St. Thomas, and Green Pond Health Center in St. James. The Malvern Health Center is in St. Elizabeth. So, going to talk about the Malvern Health Center now. Reopened in September 2024 after a $54 million renovation, the facility now features an expanded waiting area, new medical records department, additional offices, and enhanced infrastructure, benefiting over 7,000 patients annually. Now, the second one is the Portmorant and Arcadia Health Centers in St. Thomas. Both facilities were reopened in September 2024 following significant refurbishments. Portmorant Health Center, serving approximately 34,000 people, underwent a $28 million upgrade, while Arcadia Health Center received a $6 million renovation, enhancing services for around 200 residents. And then the third one is the Green Pond Health Center. Reopened after a $30 million upgrade, this facility now offers improved services to the local community. Operation Refresh represents a strategic effort by the Jamaican government to strengthen primary healthcare infrastructure, ensuring that community health centers are both welcoming and efficient, thereby encouraging greater public utilization and fostering a healthier nation. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.